Are you trying to find an interesting way to learn calculus that will pave the way for higher mathematics? Watch this video to the end and I will tell you how you can do it. Perhaps you are also tired of sitting all day studying calculus, but still lack motivation and confidence because you have difficulty understanding it. Or how can you be motivated to do it when you are punished for even the most elementary mistake in school and university? The thing is that when you work in parallel with your studies and have a busy schedule at work, you need something more comfortable that does not require a large resource of time from the student. The student's needs to travel to different locations, buying additional textbooks, daily study, changing the schedule with others based on who has free time. The main thing is that everyone can do it, regardless of school or university, without anyone's supervision, even without leaving home, without any experience of touching mathematics. 10 years ago, children my age dreamed of winning first place in the country, and I studied at a regular school, worked harder, but there was no result. The moment came when I realized that I had to study mathematics intensively and enter the best school in the country. That same year I managed to do it, and without much work I graduated from the country's leading school with a gold medal. Now the main question is, how can you achieve similar results? When they noticed my result, friends and acquaintances asked me, how did I do it? I realized that for so many years I had been solving not only my own challenge, but also the challenges of many people. I was a little afraid of criticism. I didn't know if it was worth inventing a new wheel, but I wanted to help and share my findings with people who needed it like me. That's how calculus, general plus emphasis on business and economics, was created. Here's why it worked for me and what questions do you need answers to. 1. How to learn issues so that this process is not boring. 2. How to learn formulas so that you remember them for as long as possible. 3. How to use the theoretical knowledge that you have gained in the process of solving problems. 4. How to capture the logic in the problem, according to which we will solve it. You are probably thinking now, you are lucky. It won't work for me, but my students did, who had the following beliefs. 1. I'm not good at math. 2. I don't need math in the real world. 3. Math is too hard. 4. Math is boring. 5. There's no point in studying. I'll forget it anyway. Imagine math being your favorite subject. Imagine learning math not being a chore, but an enjoyable process, so that you don't spend half your day worrying about whether you'll do well on a test, so that you can focus on the things that really matter, so that you have more free time. And starting today, it's possible and ready. Here's what you'll get in the online program: Calculus, General plus emphasis on business and economics. Basic online course in calculus, so that you always know the necessary skills. The ability to independently update existing knowledge and acquire new ones. Logical reasoning, which will be useful to you many times in real life. Tricks that can be used in mathematics and other subjects that require mathematics, and many more. With the program Calculus, General plus emphasis on business and economics, you will be able to use the theory you have learned in practice. Save time and money on visiting teachers.